What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's I gonna show you how to do a handstand tutorial for beginners. And without further ado, let's get started. Yay! Tip number 1. Always warm up and stretch first. First things to do every time you practice a handstand, you should do your warm up and stretch. Stretching will also help to improve your flexibility, which make easier to kick up and to the handstand, and you deeper your variation like split to the handstand. And just follow my exercise routine to engage your muscles on your body. Tip number 2. One leg L-shaped heart opener. With the feet onto wall to create an L shape with the body, practice lifting one leg at a time. When one leg can be comfortably lifted, practice lifting the heel up to the wall and balancing on the toes. Eventually, practice lifting the two off to the wall for a few minutes, then gently relaxing the foot back onto the wall. Handstand kick up the motion. Practice in standing split to gently lift the head and toes off the floor. Then gently kick up and practice balancing handstand with the legs. Hold in a handstand, then come down before losing control. Practice on the right side and the left side. Heels on the wall. Practice the handstand kick-ups with the head gently resting on the wall and your shoulders over the fingers. Place only the heels on the wall at a time. Feel free to gaze at the toes for a moment to build core strength. Hold to 5 to 10 breaths. Toes on the wall. To do this exercise, walk the feet up the wall with the front of the body facing the wall. Walk enough away from the wall that the feet can flex and only the toes are on the wall. To overcome the fear of falling, practice falling in this exercise. Bend the arms, tuck the head, and roll. Headstand. Headstand is a major core workout. You will rely on your core strength to hold your legs up and keep your balance throughout the pose. Headstand build your way up to it with other poses like downward dog or dolphin pose, wide leg or forward fold or legs up to the wall, where your torso and your feet are up to wall. Remember, if you fall down, don't give up easily. This is a challenge and don't give up easily. I hope I can help you these tips of my handstand routine. Enjoy and have fun. Thank you for watching.